अच्छा पहले फटाफट अपने नाम दसी दे अंकल, पहले तो दसा
ब्रह्मू राम
क्या काम करते?
बांस का काम करते हो।
बस आंटी थोड़ा ना सरला देवी।
Brahmoram and Sarla Devi are bamboo artisans from the town of Shahpur in Himachal Pradesh. The skill of bamboo basketry has been with them for as long as they can remember. Taught to them in childhood and passed down through generations, Brahmoram began practicing professionally at the age of 18.
ਘਰੇ ਚ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਡੱਲਾ ਡੁੱਲਾ ਬਣਨੀ ਜਾਂ ਦੇਸੀ ਸਮਾਨ ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਗਾ ਨਾ ਖਾਤੀ ਬੋਰਡ ਚ ਡੈਕੋਰੇਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਫਲਾਵਰ।
The bamboo is taken from the veranda of his house, where the outermost layer called chilka is removed with the help of a darati, a type of knife. He then cuts the bamboo into half and slices it into sticks of the required sizes. Fine strips are cut from these sticks to create pattis. For weaving, slightly damp bamboo is used. These strips are then placed in a tub of water to make them slightly damp. These strips are then given to Sarla Devi for weaving the basket. She starts by cutting the bamboo into more strips and making the base of the basket, which is known as nuad. To strengthen the outer structure, medium thick strips called sarya are used. Then the drain or weaving begins. Finally, refinement is done to give the basket its finished look. Sometimes they also paint the baskets for visual appeal. While she weaves the baskets, Brahmuram engages himself in making decorative items, mainly flower vases. He also creates custom pieces upon request. Their clients are primarily local, with most people buying their work for weddings, housewarmings, or everyday use. But this life, surrounded by bamboo, shaping strips into art, was not always the future Brahmuram imagined for himself.
ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਜੇ ਭਰਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਜੇ ਪੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੋਰ ਕੀ
मौका नहीं देता था।
ਤਾਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ ਧੱਕੇ ਆਣ ਵਜੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਿ ਪੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਖਾਣੀ ਸੀ ਕਿਸਮਤ ਬਣਾਈ ਕੀ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਛਾਤੀ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਬਣਾਣੀ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ 100 ਵਾਰੀ ਕਰੀ ਬੈਠੀ
अच्छा
ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਕਮੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ दौड़ने भी कोई कमी नहीं है मुझे कोई तो नहीं लगी मेरे चलो पैदल रात
किस पता चक्कर हमने।
So he devoted himself completely to the craft. For several years, he ran a tiny shop where tourists, officials, and visitors would stop by. They admired his work, some offered compliments, took samples, and made promises of support, publicity, or large orders. But some never returned, some did not even pay. Eventually, the shop had to close when highway construction cut off the flow of customers. But even then, he did not stop. Refusing to let the craft fade away, he opened a workshop in Haripur to teach boys and girls the art of basketry.
मेरे लिए देती है ना 30 ही कुड़ियां कने मुड़े राती माल तैयार करना दिन बना राती ना चोरी ले जाना ये वाला से हम बड़े जी चुस्के वाले मास्टर जी आप बहुत अच्छे बड़ा अच्छा बनाते हैं लाला एक दिन मास्टर की जवान चली तो आप एक भी नहीं आएगा मेरे पास पे हर रोज सामान तैयार करना था ना राती ले जाना बड़े मुश्किल कंट्रोल करता
अच्छा कंट्रोल हुई है
करना पिया
Teaching the craft kept him busy, but at home, life revolved around his family. 5 children in all, 4 girls and 1 boy. The girls sometimes lent a hand in weaving, but their parents dream of more for them. Brahmuram says he would love for his daughters to learn the craft to keep the tradition alive, but he also wants them to aim higher, to explore a world beyond bamboo. He knows the future for a bamboo artisan is uncertain, and so he's made sure that each of his children are well educated, given them the tools to shape a life of their own. In Shahpur, the mornings still carry the sound of bamboo being cut, the steady rhythm of hand shaping it into something lasting. For Brahmuram and Sarla Devi, each basket is a continuation of the work their parents once did. A link in a chain they have kept alive despite the changes around them. And as long as there is bamboo to cut and weave, their story, like their craft, will go on.